What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Rabbi Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're doing something about photography and we're learning how to place logos on images. Yes, so let's say I took a picture of a client. I took a picture of this guy and I want to place my logo. Fine, I also have an image here, and okay, the images that I'm bringing here for this tutorial, like they're already edited, so let me just remove. So yeah, I took a picture of a client and I'm done editing. I want to put my logo on the image. Where do I put the logo? I mean, I've been seeing a whole lot of mistakes when it comes to logo placement. People place their logos on the wrong areas. So I have a logo here, studioalpha.com, and an initiative that I'm bringing up. It's not yet done, but then it will be done very soon. So yes, I bring my logo here, and also it's in PNG format, but then I'm yet to save in a PNG format. So let's say we already have the logo. Let me just wait for it to load here. Okay, so the logo is here, and I just merged everything because it was lagging my PC just now. So where do I put this logo? Where do I place this logo after I'm done with the picture edit? Like I'm done retouching, I'm done doing whatever I want to do. Where do I place it? Right, that is the question that you need to ask yourself. So with this one, it depends on the kind of logo you have. If you have a flat logo, that is a 2D logo, you are good to go. Mostly I've seen a lot of people have like 3D logos, or like how do you call it, logos that have different colors and all those things. But then if you have a flat logo, you're good to go. So with this one, I want to change the color of the logo to white, so I'm just going to click on it, move on to the effects, go to color overlay, change it to white. Then white, yes. So mostly, I don't know if those who place their logos in the wrong position are scared of their logo or something. I don't know, I don't really know. But then you have to be proud of the design. Or did I just say design? You have to be proud of the picture that you just edited. So you want people to know, yes, this is my work. I'm the one who shot this image and edited it. So it's either you place your logo right next to the image, you understand? Mostly I see people placing their logos somewhere here. You see where this is? Somewhere here, somewhere on the upper part here. I mean, even sometimes somewhere on the shirt, or like on the subject. It's not good. It's not good. The only places you can place your logo is beside the image, like this, where it is right now, or you can drag it down here. You understand? Yes. So down here can serve as I don't know how to put it, but then people can look down there and be like, okay, this is the guy who shot the image. Or they can look beside the image right here and be like, oh yes, this is the guy who shot the image. Very nice. You can also place it to this side as well, but not to the top, not in the shirt, not anywhere else. You understand? Yes, you have to put that in mind. Let's move on to the next image, because this red is starting to do my eyes logo again. So yes, with this one too, you know, the background, the main reason why I chose this background is because the image has a very rough background. Like the background is not stable, it has a lot of shadows, whites, you understand? But then what do you do when you have such background? It's either you find a solid area in the artwork. So you see where the logo is right now is a solid area that can host the logo. I can place the logo here and it still works. Or you can place the logo right next to the subject or the person who is in the image. Yes, but then look at where we place the logo. The logo is white and the background too is white. So it's either we change the color from white to black, something like this, and we are good to go. It still works. Either ways, it still works. So mostly when you have an image that has the client or has the subject shifted to the left side, you have to make sure your logo is coming to the right side. Mostly if you want to place the logo to the left side, it will be, I don't know how to put it, but then there's this kind of balance in your image that you don't want your logo to disrupt. So if I place my logo here, it looks like it's all right, but then there's this little space on the left side that I'm using my logo to occupy. it really takes a little bit of attention, or a little bit of, I don't know how to put it, out of the image, you understand? So it's either you place it somewhere here, just like so, or find a very solid area in the image. You can't place it somewhere here, you see, it disrupts the balance in the image. Or you can even place it down here. But then whenever you are placing a logo down at the bottom of an image, make sure it is not touching any of the client or the subject's skin or whatever. So like the shoe, you understand, you can't place the logo on the shoe, you can't place the logo on the shirt, but then it has to be somewhere that is not touching the subject. So with me, or for me, I'll just place the logo here and I'm good to go. Whoever looks at the image, appreciates the image, will just notice my logo at the instant, and I'm good to go. Now let's check the other artwork. This one is a brown backdrop, and this was the image I used for my birthday this year. Yes, that was April 22nd. So what I'm going to do is, mostly when I'm working on a brown background like this, I just use a white color for the logo. So with this one, I'm just change to white like that. And when it comes to stuff like this, it's either you place the logo to the left or to the right, just like I showed you guys in the red backdrop with the first one, you understand, to the right or to the left or somewhere here. Don't place on the shirt or on the skin or on the face, or I mean, it doesn't really work sometimes, you understand. So the whole thing about placing logos on images is to make sure the logo is seen, but then it's not interfering with the image or with the subject in the image, you understand. Yes, so it is as simple as that. I also have another image here, same image of me. It's either I place to the bottom here, just as you guys are seeing here, or you can just place it, I'm really trying to, yes, somewhere here, or to the right side or to the left side, and you're good to go. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Don't take it slow, I got these places to go. I wanna grow, I wanna be something more. A different mode, I'll hit if I gotta go. Cause I got something to show the world, and one day will know. You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top, if it's the last thing I did. Never catch me, man, I'm gone. Cause I'll be working off the grid, grinding through all the pain. I said I'd do it, and I did. I'm the type